Turkey, Italy and France will resume trilateral cooperation on defense, Italian Prime Minister Mario Draghi said on March 24, adding that the three countries will meet soon. The president said he discussed the possibility of buying SAM-T missile defense systems from the Franco-Italian Eurosam consortium with the French President Emmanuel Macron and Italian Prime Minister Mario Draghi at the summit. Turkey has rejected the idea of sending its Russian-made S-400 missile defense systems to Ukraine to help it fight the invading Russian forces. Though quite unrealistic today, this idea presents an opportunity to discuss the problems Turkey has experienced lately with the West. Communication Director Fahrettin Altun said Wednesday in an opinion piece for the Wall Street Journal. Reports over the recent week floated that the United States informally raised with Turkey the unlikely possibility of transferring the S-400s to Ukraine as it tries to fend off the Russian invasion that began on Feb 24. Turkey's purchase of S-400s also triggered US sanctions. In December 2020, Washington blacklisted SSB's Tamer and 3 other employees. Washington also argues that S-400 air missile systems could be used by Russia to covertly obtain classified details on F-35 jets and that they are incompatible with NATO systems. Turkey, however, insists that the S-400 would not be integrated into NATO systems and would not pose a threat to the alliance. Ankara had made an initial deal with the French-Italian consortium on July 14, 2017 to develop Turkey's national defense systems and had signed an agreement early 2018 for an 18-month-long study to determine the needs and priorities for the potential joint production of an anti-ballistic missile system. The proposed system will be a more developed version of Eurosam's current SAM-T air defense systems. There were some steps we took between Turkey and France. We have decided to continue our efforts to reconsider those systems, the Turkey-France relations, and even to revive the steps we have taken as Turkey-France-Italy. I hope that we will start this new process strongly after the election, Erdogan told a group of journalists on March 24 on his flight from Belgium to Turkey. The initial deal that exhibits Turkey's intention to work with Eurosam, the producer of SAM-T and S-30 long-range surface-to-air missiles, was signed on July 14, 2017. As the first step, the Franco-Italian European Consortium and Turkish companies will look into the system based on SAM-T missile system produced by Eurosam and determine the common needs of the three countries. Joint Turkish production of European missile system was discussed when the Turkish president met with the Italian and French leaders in Brussels earlier this week. According to Turkey's top diplomat, the three-country missile program is scheduled to be ready by the middle of the next decade and aims to defend against threats from the stealth aircraft, drones and missiles, Eurosam said. The joint development activity is expected to support the Turkey's indigenous air and missile development program, in addition to opening up prospects for exports and longer-term cooperation of Turkey, Italy and France. Eurosam said. The Eurosam consortium is made up of Eurosam missile maker MBDA itself, a joint venture between Airbus and Italy's Leonardo and Britain's BAE Systems and French defense contractor Thales, whose main shareholders are the French state and fighter jet maker Dassault Aviation. The French, Italian and Turkish defense ministers signed a letter of intent in November on cooperation in joint defense projects. Turkey bought the S-400s after years of efforts to buy US Patriot missiles were rebuffed. After the S-400 purchase, the US suspended Turkey from the F-35 jet program and imposed sanctions. Turkey initially turned to the Russian missile system after failing to reach terms during the protracted negotiations with the US over the acquisition of Raytheon's Patriot surface-to-air missile systems.